Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the trousers for Olya. We've already cut them, and now we'll tack them, and then Olya will try them on. We are not going to iron or steam them before taking. This is what we should do, but we are not going to do it. We want to show you what you shouldn't do, and why trousers don't fit you well. Natalie will help me today. When we finish taking, Olya will try the trousers on. We always steam and iron trousers before taking. Basically, we are wasting time now, because we will have to remove the taking, steam the pants, and tack them again. We will show you how to prepare pants for fitting. We'll show you everything very thoroughly, and then Olya will try the trousers on again. I want you to see the difference. We'll show you some useful techniques when making these trousers. Of course, we're not going to show you the whole process, but we'll show you the most interesting and complicated techniques. What is the key factor for making trousers of a good quality? Iron. We haven't even ironed the creases. I want to help Natalie. I will make a spacing seam on the crease of trousers. When we make spacing seams, we'll tack the details together, and then Olya will try the pants on. It's very important to make spacing seams on the creases. When making pants, it's not enough to design and cut them accurately. It's also very important to steam and iron all the needed details. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to make trousers of a good quality. We're making the trousers of wool. This fabric is also of a very good quality. We're going to make a pantsuit. Notice that we're showing you not a mock-up, but the item itself. There is also a spacing seam on the center front. Do not forget to make it. When taking the front details, it's very important to match the notches at the knee level. I think that these tutorials are very useful. I'll shoot a course on how to make trousers, in which I will show you the whole sewing process from scratch. The details should be tacked to each other face to face. When we tack the trousers, Olya will try them on. Have a look at the first trouser leg. It's already tacked. This is the spacing seam on the crease. This is how the trouser leg looks like now. Have a look at it. If I make the first crease straight, the second one is wrinkled. This is not right. It shouldn't look this way. To avoid this, you need to steam and iron trousers leg very accurately. The seams should be stretched, and these parts kind of gather a bit. It should be done with the use of an iron. This is how the trousers legs look like now. Next, Olya will try them on. Have a look at the trousers. I remind you that this is the first fitting. I can see that we need to alter the trousers a bit. These darts should be made a bit longer. I also want to make the hips tighter. Have a look at the side seam. I can even hardly call it a side seam. It requires a lot of hard work for it to look like it. Have a look here. For these seams to look good, they should be stretched when steaming. I remind you that there will be a crease here too, so there will be no faults. This is how the trousers look like at the first fitting without a preparation. We don't usually do it. We steam and iron trousers before a fitting. This is what we're going to do next time. These trousers are very nice. I remind you that they are not close-fitting. There will always be folds here when Olya walks. I think that maybe we'll alter this part too. Have a close look at the trousers. These parts will be steamed. We'll show you how we usually prepare pants for a fitting. We'll also make a jacket of the same fabric for Olya to look like a star. I've decided to shoot these tutorials for you to understand how to make trousers. Now you know how they look like at the first fitting without special preparation. These are not even trousers. Next time we'll continue working with them. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Be about Irina, Natalie, and Olya. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.